Today we will show how to replace the PMU, power management unit, if it has a problem. The symptoms of this problem are that the phone suddenly shuts down and the PMU chip becomes very hot, just like it happened with this phone. Let's get started. Now we will open the logic board and place it on the logic board holder. Now we will use the hot air gun to heat the area and try to remove the PMU chip. Using the IC lifter, I'll gently wiggle the chip from each of the 4 sides bit by bit. I'll put solder paste / flux around the sides and continue heating with the hot air gun. Then slowly lift the PMU chip. Now I'll carefully solder the chip's pins using a soldering iron. Once soldering is done, I'll clean it properly. Now I'll use final cleaner to clean it thoroughly. Now I'll take the new chip out of the packet and heat it slightly with some paste. Now I'll apply paste to the pins as well. Then I'll carefully align the chip and place it correctly. I'll use the hot air gun to heat it and solder it in place. Then reassemble all the parts just like before. Now I'll power on the phone. Yes, good. Everything is working normally. Thank you.